If you're managing a remote team and need a simple way to set up time tracking, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up time tracking for your remote team, and I'll give you a recommendation for a software that makes it easy and efficient. Stick around until the end, because I'm offering you an exclusive free trial to try it out yourself. Let's dive straight into it. First, you need to decide on the software that will handle your team's time tracking. There are a lot of options out there, but not all of them are suited for remote teams. After testing out several popular ones, I'm recommending this software because of its simplicity and powerful features. It's easy to set up, integrates with other tools you probably already use, and gives you detailed reports on your team's work hours. To get started, sign up for the software we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, create a project or workspace for your team. This will be the hub where all the time tracking happens, and each team member will log their hours under specific tasks or projects. Make sure you clearly define the categories for the tasks so everyone knows exactly where to log their time. Next, invite your team members to join. You can add them manually or send out email invites directly through the platform. Once they're in, you'll want to show them how to log their time. Most time tracking tools have either a timer function or a manual entry option. I recommend setting a daily reminder for everyone to log their hours. If you're using a timer, they just start it when they begin a task and stop it when they finish. You can also set up different permissions for each team member. For example, managers can view everyone's time logs, but your regular team members will only see their own. This helps maintain privacy while giving managers the oversight they need. One of the best features of this software is its ability to generate reports. These reports give you insights into where time is being spent, which can help identify productivity bottlenecks or areas that need improvement. It's also a great way to bill clients if you're working with a time-based payment model. Now, if you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can get a free trial to use the software we're discussing today, and trust me, it's the best way to test it out for your team. The link is in the description below. This free trial is only available to my viewers, so don't miss out. To wrap it up, here's the key takeaway. Setting up time tracking for a remote team doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, it can be a seamless process that helps you manage your team's productivity, track billable hours, and improve efficiency. Remember to define clear tasks, invite your team, and take advantage of the detailed reports. And don't forget to grab your free trial link below to try the software for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.